Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to basically toggle VS Code into full screen mode. So there is one option you can do this by going to menu. Just go to the view option and go to appearance, and here you will see this option of full screen. The shortcut key is F11. So if you press F11 key on the keyboard, it will toggle it into a full screen mode. So if I show you the full screen mode, now no more title will show. You are entering into a full screen mode. So here you can actually write your code in a full screen mode. So if you don't want any kind of distractions in writing your code in VS Code, you can enable this full screen mode, and after that you can also disable it by pressing F11 key. You can see you can toggle this visibility by pressing the F11 key on your keyboard. Or we can even do that Control Shift P by going to this command palette and then typing here full screen. It will can also do this as well. So these are all the ways by which you can enter into full screen mode inside the VS Code. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.